Students, let us start exercise 2.4 of fractions and decimals. Okay. Now let us start the first question. Find 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So this divided by is a new symbol to us. So what we will do, we will change into a multiplication symbol by writing the reciprocal of 3 upon 4. So divided by has been changed to multiplication by writing reciprocal of 3 upon 4. So 12 into reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is just reverse the numerator and denominator. So wherever numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. So what shall we do? Let us write 4 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. So 12 into 4 upon 3. Now what is happening? 12 into 4 upon 3, 12 is in the numerator, 3 is in the denominator. So they get cancelled. Because 3 in 3 table we get 12. So 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 12 gets cancelled by 4 times. 3 4s are 12. So 4 is left. So 4 4s are 16. 16 is an answer. Now let us see the fifth question of first. Find 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Find 3 divided by 2 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. 2 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. First of all, we have to change into improper fraction. So 3 divided by 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 upon 3. So denominator into quotient plus remainder. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 upon 3. So 3 divided by 7 upon 3. Now we will replace divided by symbol into a multiplication by writing reciprocal of. So divided by has been changed to multiplication, writing reciprocal of. 3 into reciprocal of 7 upon 3. So 3 into reciprocal of 7 upon 3 is just reverse numerator and denominator. So it will become 3 upon 7. Reversing numerator and denominator, it will become 3 upon 7. So 3 into 3 upon 7. So 3 is in the numerator, 3 is in the numerator. 3 3s are 9, 9 upon 7. So 9 upon 7 is an answer. Let us see the second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. So what we have to do? We have to find the reciprocals of each fraction. That means we have to reverse numerator and denominator. We have to interchange numerator and denominator. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Proper fractions means numerator is less than denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Whole numbers means denominator is 1. Whole number means denominator is 1. Complete integer. Positive integer. Complete positive integer. Okay. Now let us see the first question. The first question is 3 upon 7. We have to find the reciprocal. Is just reverse numerator and denominator. So it becomes 7 upon 3. And 7 is greater than 3. So it is an improper fraction. Let us see the second question. 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. Reciprocal is just reverse numerator and denominator. So it becomes 8 upon 5. So what is its classification? Because numerator is greater than the denominator, it is an improper fraction. 9 upon 7. What is its reciprocal? Just reverse them. 7 upon 9. Reversing 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9. Then it becomes numerator is 7, denominator is 9. So numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Next we have 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5. What is its reciprocal? Just reverse them. Numerator and denominator. It becomes 5 upon 6. Numerator is less than the denominator. So it becomes a proper fraction. Next we have 12 upon 7. So what is its reciprocal? Just reverse them. 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12. Numerator is 7, denominator is 12. Numerator is less than denominator. 7 is less than 12. So it is a proper fraction. Next we have 1 upon 8. So what is its reciprocal? Reversing numerator and denominator. 8 upon 1. So what is 8 upon 1 means? It is equal to 8. 8 upon 1 means 8 is a whole number. Whole number, it's a positive integer. Next we have 1 upon 11. 1 upon 11 is, what is its reciprocal? 11 upon 1. 11 upon 1 can be written as only 11. 11 upon 1 is same as only 11. Whatever we have in the denominator, whatever we have in the numerator, if the denominator is 1, then it becomes a whole number which is the numerator itself. Okay? Whatever we have in the numerator, if the denominator is 1, then its value is equal to only the numerator itself, and it is a whole number. Okay? Now let us go to the next question. Third problem. Find 7 by 3 divided by 2. 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So what shall we do? We will change divided by symbol into a multiplication symbol by writing reciprocal of 2. So now here there is nothing in the denominator. When there is nothing in the denominator, it is understood that the denominator value is 1. When there is nothing in the denominator, it is understood that the denominator value is 1 always. So the reciprocal of 2 is same as reciprocal of 2 upon 1. So what is its reciprocal? Just reverse numerator and denominator. It is 1 upon 2. Then what happens? 7 numerator into numerator into divided by denominator into denominator. 7 into 1 upon 3 into 2. 7 by 6. Okay? Now let us see fourth question of the same problem. 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. 4 1 by 3, again what is it? It's a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, if it is there, we have to change it into improper fraction first. So how we change into improper fraction? Quotient into denominator plus 1. So 4 into 3 plus 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 3 divided by 3. Okay. Now 13 by 3 divided by symbol, we will change it as multiplication symbol by writing reciprocal of 3. So divided by symbol is changed into multiplication symbol by writing reciprocal of 3. Okay. Now what is the reciprocal of 3? There is nothing in the denominator again. So when there is nothing in the denominator, it should be treated as 1. So 3 upon 1. 3 is equivalent to 3 upon 1. So reciprocal of 3 upon 1 is 1 upon 3. So 13 by 3 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 13 ones are 13, 3 3s are 9. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 13 by 9 is an answer. Okay, we will go to the next question. Fourth question, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So again we have to change divided by symbol as multiplication symbol by writing reciprocal of. So divided by symbol is changed into multiplication by writing reciprocal of 1 upon 2. Again what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2? Just reverse them. 2 upon 1. Reverse numerator and denominator. So 2 upon 1. So what is its value? Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. So 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. So 4 upon 5 is an answer. Next question we have 2 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. Again we have got mixed fraction. So whenever we get mixed fraction, what we have to do? We have to change it into improper fraction. So what is an improper fraction? Denominator into quotient plus remainder. 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. So mixed fraction here is changed into improper fraction. Now what we have to do? We have to change divided by symbol. Divided by symbol is changed as multiplication by writing reciprocal of. divided by symbol is changed into multiplication by writing reciprocal of 3 upon 5. So what is the reciprocal of 3 upon 5? 5 upon 3. Reversing numerator and denominator. So 5 upon 3. 7 by 3 into 5 upon 3. What is the answer? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now we have the next question. Two fractions are mixed fractions. 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. 3 1 by 5. All mixed fractions, before doing the problem we have to change them as improper fractions. So first of all we will change them as improper fractions. So 3 5s are 16 plus 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, sorry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1. 16 upon 5 divided by 3 1s are 3 plus 2. 5 upon 3. 16 upon 5 divided by 5 upon 3. Isn't it? Quotient into denominator plus remainder. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3. Now what we have to do? Both of them have converted into improper fractions. What we have to do? We have to change the divided by symbol into multiplication by writing reciprocal of. So into reciprocal of 5 by 3. So what is the reciprocal of 5 by 3? Again we will change into numerator into denominator. So 3 upon 5. Reciprocal of 5 upon 3 is 3 upon 5. So nothing gets cancelled here. So we have to multiply it. So numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. 16 3s are 48, 5 5s are 25. So 48 by 25 is an answer. Now some points here we have to remember. Reciprocal is reversing numerator and denominator. I hope you have understood this. Reciprocal is reversing numerator and denominator. The second point is, if there is nothing in the denominator, say for example 3, if there is nothing in the denominator, then it should be treated as 1. The denominator should be treated as 1. So 3, there is nothing in the denominator of 3 here. So what we have to write? We have to write divided by 1. Denominator should be treated as 1. And obviously reciprocal of 1 is 1, because 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Now reciprocal of 0 does not exist, because denominator we should not have 0 anytime. We cannot have 0 in the denominator anytime. It is not defined or it is said to be as undefined. So reciprocal of 0 does not exist. I hope it is clear to you. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Denominator you should not have 0. Okay? Thank you.